Hi, welcome to online digital marketing training. In this video, I'm explaining about keyword match types in Google Ads. So, yes, I can see this. Here you created two campaigns, Hyderabad and Bangalore. So when come to Hyderabad, you created three ad groups. And in this ad group, you mentioned three keywords. You mentioned one keyword called SEO training in Hyderabad. I assume that you gave only one keyword. Let's suppose take this. SEO training in Hyderabad. What do you mean by this? If someone's searching SEO training in Hyderabad, my ad should come on top. This is your intention, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Now, users, these are the keywords people are typing. One guy searched SEO training in Hyderabad. And one more guy searched SEO training Hyderabad. One more guy searched SEO classes in Hyderabad. These are different things people are typing.
Mm-hmm.
So these are the different keywords. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now tell me, your ad will appear for these keywords or not? For the first one, ad will appear or not?
Yes.
Second one,
No.
why? Because.
The no second one also it will appear.
Third one,
No.
why?
Because the words are not similar.
Fourth one,
No.
fifth one,
No, fourth one, yes.
fifth one.
No.
If
Fifth
you
one, yes.
next one,
No.
last one.
No.
But unfortunately, for all the keywords, your ad will appear.
Oh.
For all the keywords, ad will appear because by default, whatever the match types you're using, this is called the broad match. This is broad match. Automatically Google said this. You mentioned this, right? This is the broad match. Broad match works in such a way that whatever the keyword you mentioned compared to the customer keyword, if one word matches also, ad will appear. So everywhere at least one word is matching. Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
one word is matching, ad is appearing. So here SAP training in Hyderabad, this is too much anyway. This is something else. Still your ad is appearing. Okay. This is loss for you. If it is a medium and small company, you will exhaust your money a lot. That's why you should not use broad match. Okay. So big companies will use it anyway. Okay. Because at least they're getting a branding that will give them sales anyway. But small and medium companies should not use this. Okay. Right. So previously it was like this. Now they did in such a way that, okay, forget about it because you don't have to use broad match. Now you have to use phrase match. Now here you want to add new keywords plus here how to use phrase match. You have to use like this. Use inverted commas. So this is how you have to use. Okay, this is called
Okay.
phrase match. Phrase match.
Okay.
How this works? Uh, when you mention the phrase match, it means that customer should not disturb the pattern. Whenever customer is typing, he should not disturb the pattern. Okay. Now, first one, SEO training in Hyderabad. He didn't disturb the pattern. Ad will appear. Ad will appear. Second, SEO training Hyderabad. In is missing. Ad will not come. Okay, because he disturbed the
Yeah.
pattern. Third, SEO classes. Here training is there, classes. No, it will not come. Fourth one, will it come or not?
No.
Why?
Because it's disturbed.
It will come.
Best is not there.
No, they didn't disturb the pattern. It's same SEO training in Hyderabad. Phrase match works in such a way that don't disturb me. You can add anything before and after.
Okay, all right.
So best SEO training in Hyderabad also ad will appear. So for SAP training it will not come. For this also it will not come. But the problem is
Okay.
for free SEO training also it will appear.
Yep.
But intention of the customer to join for free, still your ID is appearing. This is one
Mm-hmm.
drawback in this match type. In order to avoid this, in this box, this is good for medium companies, but small companies you can't afford this also. At the time, here use the exact match. How to mention the exact match? You have to mention in the brackets, like you mentioned. SEO training in Hyderabad.
Mm-hmm.
Exact match. So exact match works in such a way that customer have to type the same. It
Mm-hmm.
has to be same. Even you can't add anything before and after. So in the first keyword, ad will appear or not? SEO training in Hyderabad.
Yes.
Second
Yeah.
one,
No.
third one,
No.
fourth one.
No.
No. See,
Yeah.
you said SEO training Hyderabad, customer type best SEO training Hyderabad, ad will not appear. But this is bad, right? See, customer looking for best SEO training Hyderabad, it should appear. Now to avoid this, you mentioned best SEO training in Hyderabad. Now, do you think for the first keyword ad will appear?
No.
No, because it's missing something. So I'm
Yeah.
only best, I'm not normal SEO training. So in order to avoid this, any suggestion? Do one thing. Exact match you can give multiple.
Phrase match and exact match can be done together.
No, leave about it. In exact match only can give like this. You can add multiple keywords. Got it? So in exact match, maybe your keywords list will increase, but that is very good. Now SEO training Hyderabad, for this also ad is not appearing. You want this also. Add one more keyword and make it as a bracket. You getting what I'm saying?
No.
You want your ad to appear for SEO training in Hyderabad and best SEO.
Yes.
Mention two of them
Yeah.
in the brackets. Here mention two
How?
keywords. Line
Yeah,
by line you
best
can.
also and SEO also.
Yes. So it will be
Yeah, but
appearing for
it's
both.
not the exact match, right? Because you said that after or before anything can be not cannot be added or subtracted.
No, I'm
That's
telling you one thing.
phrase match then.
I'm telling you one thing. Forget about phrase match here. We're talking about exact match. You mentioned SEO
Mm-hmm.
training in Hyderabad, best SEO training. Two you mentioned. If anyone type
Yeah.
these keywords, my ad should appear. For the first one, ad
Okay,
will
all
appear or
right.
not? You got it?
Yes. Yes.
That's what I'm
So
saying.
you're saying give more options.
More keywords with exact.
Okay, yes. All
This
right.
is this
Got
is
it.
good. This is good for the small companies.
All right.
But what happens here? Again, you have to mention SEO training Hyderabad. This also you have to mention SEO classes in Hyderabad. Your list will
Yep.
increase.
Yep.
Again, best SEO
Sure.
classes in Hyderabad. This list will increase.
Yes.
But no problem. Small companies have to do this. But
Okay.
I suggest phrase match only like this. It will increase. I suggest phrase match only, but phrase match people are typing free. In order to avoid this, there is one more match type called negative match. So there is one more thing called negative match. How it works? Can you see negative keywords here?
Yeah.
Negative keywords. Click on plus. Here you have to mention. If anybody type free, PDF, what are the keywords? Download.
Oh. Just
So,
looking for information, you mean?
so it means any keyword which consists of this keyword, your ad will not appear. You got it? So
Okay, yeah.
use phrase match. What are the keywords there is a possibility people use before and after? Mention those things. So phrase match and negative is a good combination. Exact match is always good, but maybe there is a possibility instead of writing many things, go for this. Okay. There is one more match type.
Okay.
This is called broad match modifier. Broad match modifier. So the problem with the broad match is if single word matches, ad will come. Okay, that is a problem. See, now to overcome this, they come up with a broad match modifier. In the box, you have to mention plus SEO, plus training, plus Hyderabad. Any word before that, use plus symbol. How this works? This means whenever customer typing the keywords, he should mandatory that these three words should be there. Three words or four words, what are the words used? Those words are mandatory. Okay, sequence doesn't matter. I don't care whether you use Hyderabad before SEO log, but these three words should be there. And after that, you can use n number of words, but these three words are mandatory. Now let's take it. For the first keyword, ad will appear or not? SEO training in
Yes.
Hyderabad. Second one,
Yeah.
third one,
Yes.
third,
No.
third one.
No.
No, why
Because the words are not matching.
not like that? Training is missing. SEO is there, Hyderabad is there, but training is missing. That's why. Fourth one,
Yes.
fifth one,
Yes.
yes. Sixth one,
Yes.
no. SEO is
No.
missing. This is SAP, this is
But
SEO.
but training is there.
I said right, these three words should be there, not one word. Plus
Okay.
SEO, plus training, plus Hyderabad. These three words should be there.
Okay.
Okay. The last one,
No.
why?
Because the words are not there. Institute. Now you put Hyderabad.
Okay. So SEO is
Mhm.
there, training is there, Hyderabad is there. Irrespective of these keywords, it will appear anyway. Sequence also not required anyway. Because this is broad
Oh,
match modifier. This is very good, but only experienced people should use it. For most of my campaigns, I use this anyway. But as a fresher, you should not try it anyway. If you don't use in a proper way, again you will lose amount. But once you got an experience, go for a phrase match. This
for
broad,
a
broad match modifier. Yeah.
for a fresher, which are the best match
Phrase
keyword
match.
match types to
Phrase
use?
match. Always phrase match is good. Combination of the negative. Never ever use broad match. Apart from broad match, anything is fine. But I recommend start with the phrase match. You will understand.
Okay.
Now, one more thing. You mentioned in a
I have
phrase.
a question. Say, for example, if my keywords are SEO training in Hyderabad, and if someone is um, um, using the words best SEO training in Hyderabad. So, for example, if my ad is on top for SEO training in Hyderabad, will it be also on top for what is the best institute for SEO training in Hyderabad? Or does the ad position also change as the keyword's position changes?
See, here we're talking about match type only. Whether you coming on the top, that is matter of the bidding. That is different case. Here, when you use the match type, ad will appear or not. Position we're not talking. Position related to the bidding. Okay.
For any keywords that we use, is it also related to bidding?
Obviously, for every keyword you have to bid right. Based on the bidding
All
only,
right.
either you'll come on top or down. Okay. And one more thing I'm telling. There is one keyword you mentioned, web designing codes. Now one customer is typing. Now This is what you told to the Google that someone typing this, my ad should come. Now one customer typed that website designing course. Ad will appear or not? Now one guy type web designing courses. One more guy type web designing course. You tell me, for the first one ad will appear or not? This is a phrase match. You should not disturb the pattern. Tell me.
Yeah.
First one ad will appear. Here web is there, here
Uh,
website is there. Now here course is there, here courses is there. Now here spaces are there. Yes, for all the keywords ad will appear. Google follows semantic algorithm, close variation, small spelling mistakes, singular and plural will be auto corrected by the Google. Okay.
okay.
Website is same, courses is same. Even though you didn't mention the space also, ad will appear. And non-cases too. If you mentioned in a small letter, customer typed in a big letters also, capital letters also, still ad will appear.
But even if there is no space, the words cannot be differentiated.
So you don't mention space also, still ad will appear. Here web space, designing space, course, customer type without space also, ad will appear. Okay.
Okay.
These
Yeah.
are all the keyword match type. These are very, very important actually, because you directly mentioned broad match here. You asked one more question. Can I use the combination broad match plus phrase match? No, you should not use it. Phrase match and exact match, you can use it, but don't include broad match. But make a habit of using only one match type. In the future classes, I will show you how to use the combination. Broad match, don't use, but phrase match, exact match, you can use it. But as of now,
Together.
yes, but as of now, stick to only phrase match, not any combination.
So for phrase match, any even if it's searched uh, with additional keywords by a user, it will show up.
Yes, anything before
Okay.
and after.
All right.
Okay, so this is the keyword match types. Remember it. And yes, in my many examples, my clients, I tested with a broad match. What happened? Definitely, it's not ad will not be relevant. For irrelevant keywords, your ad will appear, and you will lose money anyway. When I tried phrase match, it was working good. Still, some irrelevant keywords were there. Then I found with the negative keywords, I removed it. Then it was perfect. Okay.
Why not exact match would work then?
Exact match will work. It's not a problem. But sometimes you will not expect what kind of word should be there. You mentioned only this thing. Now someone will type with something. You mentioned SEO classes in Hyderabad. There is a possibility a person will type top SEO classes in Hyderabad. You haven't mentioned, you're missing that keyword. If you mention only SEO training in Hyderabad, whether he type best or top, still your ad will show up. You will not
That's
miss
for
any.
phrase match.
Yes, you will
All
not
right.
miss any keyword. You will not miss any keyword. That is a good
All
thing
right.
about phrase match. Exact match, every time you can't imagine what kind of keywords people will type.
For example, if for a phrase match we check for the user is checking by SEO classes in Hyderabad, then would it show the ad?
What? No, you have to
If
add it. You have to add it here. It will not come anyway. The training is there, classes is there. It will not come anyway. You have to add one more word.
training and classes in Hyderabad.
Yes.
And we cannot separate it by comma. Say, for example, I would want to add that in phrase match SEO, coaching, comma, training and classes in Hyderabad. Is that possible or no?
Here you have to write one line, one word means the sentence. Next line, one more thing. Don't use commas. That
Okay.
will not work. Now
All
customer have
right.
to
All
type
right.
that comma also. So
Okay. Okay.
okay,
Mm-hmm.
right. Now once you in the future classes, once we put the budget, we'll put the budget. I'll show you what keyword
Mm-hmm.
match we typed and what people were searching, how it was searching. That I'm going to show you anyway. At the time again, we'll
Mm.
recall about the keyword match types. Maybe in the future, I'll be adding that link in the description also to go for. Okay. You have any questions in match types?
No.
Okay. So don't use by default. If you mention only some keyword, by default, it will be broad match only. So you should take care to make it as inverted commas or whatever it is. Now see, this is by default broad match. How to change it to phrase match? Click on edit.
Go to keywords. Mm-hmm.
Either you put inverted commas like this, automatically it will become, or else here drop down is the, here select phrase match or exact match. Okay.
Why is the broad match modifier not there?
Broad match modifier, you have to give it the plus symbol. There is no separate thing. That is also comes
All
under
right.
broad match only. Now
Okay,
all
okay.
are broad match only. Assume that you have 5,000 keywords. You can't go there and change, right? So bulk changes you can do it. Select all, edit, then here change match types from broad to exact match or broad to phrase match. Apply. Now all the keywords will be done like this. Got it?
All right. All right.
Okay then. So thank you very much. And in the next video, I'll be explaining about extensions.